Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a Ford Escape. So this one is a 2023, 2023 and 2024 are the same. It's probably a very similar process for the other Ford Escapes as well, and probably other Ford models, but this particular one is the Ford Escape. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to click this menu button. And so you're going to come onto this screen and you're going to scroll down with this to vehicle maintenance. Click OK. And then you're going to see tire pressure and oil life. So you're going to click OK again. And then you're going to hold that OK button to reset. So you can see it's resetting 100%. Perfect. And that is it. So now you see 100% oil life, and that is how you reset the maintenance light on a Ford Escape. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.